Hello everyone, welcome to this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm going to show you 5 new interesting ways to use your TN. You may have figured out some of these on your own, and if you have a cool or interesting unorthodox way to use your TN, let us know down in the comments below. Let's get started.
A phone stand. For this one, you can use almost any size TN. You simply take your phone and tuck it under the front and the back cover. Standing it up on its edge, it's held by the elastic. It stays in really well and is great for watching videos, movies, and FaceTime calls. The Nano as a wallet. So for this one, we're going to be using the Nano as a wallet that you can keep in your pocket. First, take the binding elastic out. This helps it slide. You can keep bills in the elastic like this and cards on the side pockets. And this is really just a bifold that fits comfortably in your back pocket. Also, if you need more space for cards, you can use it with a wallet dashboard insert. This works great for men and women. The elastic as a tool. The elastic on the TN keeps the book closed when you want it to be closed, but it can also be a tool to help while you're writing. You can use it to keep sturdy pages in place and for keeping the pen loop pinned back if it gets in your way, and for keeping anything down or out of the way. You can even carry an extra elastic around your notebook for keeping the other side of the pages down. For storing your iPad mini. The iPad mini will need a cover, and you slide one side into the elastic. This isn't a substitute for having an iPad case, but it helps to keep your journal and iPad in one easy to grab, self-contained TN. A book cover. This one I think is really cool, even though I am sure a lot of people already do it. For people who like to carry softcover books with them, use a simple classic or deluxe notebook as a cover to keep it looking like new. Also, you can even keep a single insert in the notebook for taking notes.
Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to leave the cool hacks that you use in your TN down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button before this video disappears. See you next time!